Hey folks, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to clean the van. It's not really all that dirty, but I haven't really done a thorough cleaning of it since my last trip, and I always like to do a pretty thorough cleaning in between trips just to keep it spiffy as a camping vehicle can be. But this is a bit of a niche collector type vehicle, and so I like to keep it in really good shape. There were two previous owners, and they have really kept it quite impeccable. So I want to try to stay on track with that. So yeah, so I'm inviting you to follow along today with the exciting activity of cleaning out a van. Here we go. So this is my trash hack here. I got this thing at a thrift store, I think, years ago, and it's just kind of narrow, and it's made out of newspaper and wire. It's like obviously some kind of handmade thing. Anyway, I put this divider in here, and so on one side I keep my recycling, and then the other side I put this bag in. But I'm going to go dump out the recycling right now. The other thing I do when I come home from a trip is charge the Jackery, which is getting dusty just sitting here, and it needs charging. So I will find the charger. And this is it. Okay, 84 watts coming in. So the other thing I do when I come home is attend to the water tanks that are under here. So as you can see, there's a freshwater and gray water tank. I think, actually already empty the gray water as soon as I got home. That's something that, yeah, it's empty. You don't want it to get funky, but there's still fresh water in here, which I'm going to empty out, because when I go on my next trip, I will put fresh water in here. Let's see, how do we get it out of there? I'm caught on something. So you can see my little system here. We've got the one little piping going from the fresh water up to that water pump up there. And then we've got some tubing going from the drain there into the gray water. Okay, let's go water a tree. Oh, by the way, speaking of trees, Got this hibiscus. How cool is that? It's actually, we've had a lot of rain. Probably doesn't really need it too much. Basil. See if the basil needs some water. That sounds good. Let's see. This guy is a little pot within a tree. And then we'll get the tree itself. Oh, look at that. There's a little miniature pine tree in this maple, growing out of this maple trunk. How cool is that? Okay. Empty, 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 empty. Okay. So now it's good and empty for the next trip. I keep my stove right between these tanks and the trash can, and it seems to hold up in there really nicely. But whenever I remove the tanks, it seems to fall over. That's a spot right there. I could keep the actually what I could put there is the I tried to put the sleeping bag there. It didn't work. Okay. Next up, we're going to attend to this sink. Oh, yeah, there's my coffee cup. And the other coffee cup. They need to be washed. And this, I don't think I used that this time. These are really great for washing dishes if you don't have one of these in your camper. They're actually good in general, but you've got the little scraper and a scrubby. This is more or less empty. It's got Dr. Bronner's peppermint soap that I use, and I'm going to go refill it because I bought some more. But it's really great for the gray water tank because the peppermint oil in there prevents the gray water tank from smelling. So and then you can use it for everything, washing hands, washing dishes, etc. Okay. I like to wash everything after I've camped because the camping level of washing is, you know, a little bit lower. I don't think I used that. Probably use that knife. Probably use that. Did I use this? I don't remember. Fork, spoon. I don't think I used those. Okay. And let's see what else. So, kind of good to check in on my spices. Okay. So, definitely used the stove. So I want to wash this pan. Some stuff I already took out and washed, but this can go back, and this can go back, and this can go in here. And pepper. I got new pepper. What do I do with the old pepper? I just use it up. Okay. I think that's all okay. I think this is all okay. This needs to be washed. 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 Okay, I need a different attachment to get that, vacuum that out. So these are a few things that I had taken care of before, washed up. This is my towel I use for if I shower or if I go swimming and it dries really fast. It's like the best towel in the world. Where does it go? Put it in here with the other towels. And these are some other towels I use while camping that I washed when I got home. This is my laundry bag. It's right here. Oh, that's dirty. Apparently I washed one fork. And this is a little, what is it? It's like it's a container. It's a kind of serves as a little drawer divider basket for my refrigerator. And I washed that. I'll show you where that goes. Wipe it down. So yeah, this is just something I found that just happens to fit exactly right in there. Do I put it on this side? Yeah, one of the two sides. And then I can put kind of the little things that are a little more precious in there. Dr. B. Well, that's a wrap. Cleaned up the van. It's a post-trip cleaning that always feels good to get in. So 2 weeks from Friday, I will be leaving for Vermont for my third annual Vermont camping extravaganza. I really like to add the word extravaganza on the end of things I do. It makes it seem a little more exciting. So, but yeah, October, Vermont camping, can't go wrong with that. It is exciting already. You don't even need the word extravaganza. But yeah, second week in October, kind of first-ish week. It's should be getting pretty beautiful. So yeah, I don't know. People talk about peak, but peak, whatever. It's like probably a few weeks in there. Depends on the tree. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to documenting that journey and maybe even multiple videos. So yeah, until next time, I'm gonna go do some dishes. Bye.